welcome back to my channel. So it's me, Yula John. So if you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to ring the notification bell. Alright, so this is my first vlog this year, 2020. And since hindi ako makagawa ng vlog outside because I'm a breastfeeding mom, and of course, I'm taking care of my kids. Magkukuking vlog ako ngayon. Ayan. So, this is my first cooking vlog. And this is a quick and easy dish. Konti lang yung ingredients nito and mabilis lang talaga siya lutuin. So, if you have like unexpected visitor, so if you have these ingredients at home, you can do it. Alright? So, let's go. Okay, so the dish for today is honey garlic chicken. So this is a easy honey garlic chicken. Okay, so these are my ingredients. So I have here 8 pieces of thigh chicken. So you can have it with bone or without bones. And 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of water, and a 1/3 cup of honey, and 2 teaspoons of sesame seed, and 6 cloves of garlic, and of course the magic sarap. Alright, so first i-season muna natin si chicken with the salt and the magic sarap. If you're not using the magic sarap, you can season it with garlic powder and salt. Okay? Okay, so nag-drain na natin yung oil. Tira tayo ng at least 1 teaspoon na yung pinaka-oil niya para yung flavor still there. And then let's add the garlic. Okay. Ayan. So let's wait until the garlic gets golden brown. Okay, so the garlic is now turned into golden brown and naamoy ko na siya. So let's start with the butter. Oh, soy sauce. The vinegar. And the honey. Yeah. So good. So, kung ano lang yung meron kayong available na honey. Okay. So, medyo lakihan natin yung apoy niya. Ayan. Stop. So let's wait to reduce down the thigh. So maybe it's about 3 to 4 minutes. Ayan. Ow. Perfect. Kung medyo nakakulangan kayo sa panlasa nyo, you can add little bit salt. So, lagyan ko siya konti kasi parang kulangan ako sa kaya. Yan. Tansyahin nyo na lang. Wow! It's almost done. And our final is the sesame seed. Just on top. Wow! Yay! Yeah. Alright. Alright guys, so thank you for watching my cooking vlog. And I hope i-try nyo dito. Napakasarap niya and very quick. And napaka-easy ng mga ingredients. Makukuha nyo siya everywhere. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you like this and see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!